Hi, I'm Courtney. I'm the client education lead at eSalon, and I went gray when I was 13. The first time I went gray, I don't actually really remember how I felt. I was only 13. I remember, though, very much my mom noticing it first. It's never been a thing of shame for me. I've always really enjoyed being a different color and actually being able to talk to people about it and kind of change that viewpoint that gray hair has something to do with aging. It's never been that way for me, ever, and I kind of like that. Going gray, for me, has never affected how I styled my hair. I never really tried to manipulate my part or wear a different style to compensate for it. I just kind of let it happen, and it was something that I've been doing in terms of coloring my hair for so many years. It's just part of who I am at this point, and I like who I am, so I think it works.